Right now, as you're watching this, something massive is happening inside Apple's top-secret labs in Cupertino. We've seen the iPad Pro go thin. We've seen the iPad Air get bigger. But for a very specific, very loyal group of people, the Mini Squad, there has been a lingering question that feels like it's been unanswered for an eternity. Is Apple finally going to give us the Pro Mini we've been begging for? Or are they going to keep us in this cycle of just enough updates? Well, today, everything changes. We have finally cracked the code on the iPad Mini 8. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And I'm telling you right now, if you were thinking about buying the current Mini 7, or even worse, if you're still holding on to that aging Mini 6, you need to stop. Put your wallet away. Because the leaks coming out of the supply chain in early 2026 aren't just minor tweaks. We are talking about a fundamental shift in what a small tablet can be. We are talking about the OLED revolution finally coming to the palm of your hand. Think about the way we use the iPad Mini. It's the only iPad that feels like an extension of your body. It's the notebook you actually carry. It's the gaming console that fits in a jacket pocket. It's the ultimate e-reader that doesn't feel like a heavy piece of glass. But for years, it's had one fatal flaw, the display. While the iPhone has moved to OLED and the Pro iPads have moved to tandem OLED, the Mini has been stuck with LCD technology that feels like it's from another era. The jelly scrolling issues, the grayish blacks, the lack of punch, it's been the one thing holding this device back from perfection. But the iPad Mini 8 is changing the game. We are looking at a brand new 8.5-inch OLED panel that is going to make your current iPad look like a relic from the Stone Age. And that's just the beginning. We're talking about an A19 Pro, or potentially even the A20 Pro chipset that brings desktop-class power to a device you can hold with one hand. We're talking about a complete redesign of the speaker system that might actually make this the first-ever water-resistant iPad. Can you imagine? An iPad you can actually take to the pool or the beach without a mini heart attack every time a drop of water gets near it. But why now? Why is Apple finally deciding to go all in on the Mini? To understand that, you have to understand the market. In the USA, the small tablet market is weirdly underserved. You've got cheap Android tablets that feel like toys, and then you've got the iPad Mini. There is no middle ground. Apple knows that as phones get bigger and foldables start to creep in, the iPad Mini has to evolve or die. And based on the rumors we're seeing for late 2026, Apple has chosen evolution. They aren't just making a tablet, they're making a statement. This is for the pilots who use it in the cockpit, the doctors who carry it on rounds, the gamers who want more than a phone screen, and the readers who want the best possible text clarity. If you've been waiting for the Pro Mini, this is it, even if they don't call it Pro. Let's talk about that screen, because that is the heart of the iPad Mini 8. If you've ever used an iPhone 15 or 16 Pro, you know the difference OLED makes. The blacks aren't just dark, they are off. The pixels literally stop emitting light. When you're reading a book in dark mode on an OLED screen, the text feels like it's floating in ink. It's easier on the eyes, it's more immersive, and it saves a massive amount of battery.